everyone. Today is our second day of learning. Here today I'll tell you how a person is related to handwriting and how handwriting tells about the person. What is the method that helps us as a graphologist, handwriting analyst to look for things which a person has, and it is told by the handwriting. I'll show you here. First of all, person has thoughts. In handwriting, we have letters or alphabets. Now, when a person thinks, then the person acts on that thought. That comes the action. Here, with the help of handwriting, together we connect letters and we make words. So it tells the actions of a person. That means more than one letter, when we join, we get words to be formed, and these words tells actions. After actions we have, after thoughts we have actions. After actions we have habits. What are habits? Same process doing again and again makes our habit, like brushing our teeth. Just get up, go to the washroom, going to the washroom, brushing your teeth every day without knowing that this is your brush. You'll be able to grab it, put paste on it, start doing it till you splash the water on your face. Till then you are like unconsciously you are able to do the daily routine. That is your